Welcome to the Information Technology Fluency Test. Before you take the ITF test, please listen to this short presentation. You will learn more about background information about the ITF program. ITF is a graduation requirement. What happens if you pass or fail the test? What you will have to do in the ITF test, and how to log in and start. The purpose of the ITF is to empower students with the use of IT, and to provide evidence for learning outcomes on research-related skills, including knowledge of IT. Passing the ITF test is a graduation requirement with effect from the 2012-13 intake of undergraduate students. What happens if I pass the test? If you pass the ITF test, you will fulfill the graduation requirement, which will be recorded in the academic transcript and degree works. Obtain 2 ILP units in the intellectual development domain under ILP course ITF test. Obtain an ITF certificate issued by the Teaching and Learning Center. Receive an email from TLC about the test result. How about if I fail the test? You have to pass all parts in order to pass the whole test. There is no limit on the number of attempts you can make to pass the test. You can re-register for the test on the online registration system 5 working days after you fail the test. What does the ITF test consist of? The ITF test is on the My IT Lab platform supported by Pearson. It consists of 2 parts. Part A, multiple choice questions related to information literacy. Part B, simulation questions in 3 sections, Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint. You will do the Part A MCQ first, and then you will have the remaining time to complete the simulation test. When you finish one test, the system will bring you back to the Today's View page. You should then click on the Part B Simulation Questions folder to proceed to Part B of the test. The total duration of the 2 tests is 1 hour and 30 minutes. Part A, multiple choice questions. There are altogether 40 questions. You can revisit any questions and change your answers anytime before you submit the test. Part B, simulation questions. You are required to complete various tasks in Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint in the simulation environment. For each task, you can have 99 attempts. How to log in and start the test? Go to the ITF test website. Click the button Sign In. Enter your username and password. The username is your Lingnan login username plus at 2017. And the default password is LN plus your student number. Then click Sign In. Also, it takes time to load the exam web pages. Please click only once and wait patiently. Select the testing section, listed under My Lab and Mastering. Click the Course Materials button in the left to access content. Select the test session marked with the date. You can access to the 2 parts of the test after entering the password the invigilator puts on the whiteboard. If your web browser pop-up blocker is enabled, please set up your blocker so that it allows the pop-up from the Pearson's domain. You can then start the test.